this thing? It's so fancy. My grandma bought it for me for Christmas.
I'm flustered right now.
Go run and get them if y'all have them. Napkins in your bags. Can y'all each take one of these? It's okay. What'd you say, baby?
Here you go.
Sir?
It's to wave.
Wave it up.
I don't have one. I'm gonna use my camera.
Damn it, that's cute.
Saw it. Nah, Dan certainly has better champagne in there than that shit.
Yeah. I just grabbed some in case we wanted some off the bus.
That's fine. No, seriously, keep them in your hands.
Yeah.
Sounds like a cape. Do-rag, man. Do-rag. You say what that is? Good, bro. Thank you.
Yeah.
See, the cool thing is I don't even have to make sure you're looking because it's just video.
Just going at it.
It's just going at it. We're going to town.
I was gonna be tough.
I went to get hers.
Super gay.
Anybody didn't get one? You have one? You don't want it?
Oh, I'm sure.
Do it real gay.
I'm good.
All on the wrist.
Oh no. Hey girls.
Where is yours? You have to do that because she's your cousin.
Nanny, I'm gonna do one. It's all in the wrist. It's in the wrist.
All right, let's go. Look, Queen's up there. Let's
Hey,
go.
Come on, let's get it.
let's get it, ladies and gentlemen. Dude, hey, look, I even.
Got it now. I guess I'll take everyone.
Hey,
And like I've always gone down.
remember whenever I was a page for you, whenever you were a queen?
I know. Yes.
I was looking at old pictures of that. That was
But my biggest memory is sitting next to you at LSU football game, teaching you about the line of scrimmage and the first down. I think you were like 8 years old.
someone had to do it. Who knew I'd end up playing for LSU?
I know. So I think it was
So good job. Oh, we have to walk in together? Thank God. Oh my goodness. Well, thank God. What else would I do? I don't know what else would happen if I didn't have you. My head would fall off. This time? Hey, it's all on the wrist. Dude, is that what your head really looks like whenever you whack it on stuff? Like usually? Like whenever I whack my head on stuff, it looks like that under my hair, but you just can't see it.
It's a problem with no hair.
Yeah, bro.
And I lost it by the time I was your age.
Yeah?
in a picture to Mitchell.
Hey, can I wear my sunglasses inside? Because I feel like
Only if you're a savage.
I am. That's absolutely true. Then.
Yeah, I mean,
Yes.
you gotta.
The answer is yes. Sir.
Yes, I'll do it. I'll do it until someone tells me to take them
The
off.
answer is definitely yes.
Until my grandma or my mother walks up and says, Connie, take your fucking sunglasses off. I'm like, all right,
yeah,
grandma.
definitely.
Yes, ma'am.
I don't know.
Yeah,
Cody said.
yeah. Let's keep
following the lead. Following the lead.
When you're doing this.
We should have sunglasses.
No longer the bartender now. I get waited out. Where's the bar? I want to get
There he is.
I want to get a
How
drink.
many people did I send to you talking about, hey, you go speak
Oh,
out?
hey, y'all, we making haste. Let's make haste.
Come on. Make it.
Hey guys.
I know, it's kind of not. Eventually, they're going to invent a better way. pretty. Thank you. It's a replay. Cheers. Cheers.